to me, I really, the biggest tip I could give you is to put a lot, put way more than you need. And then you just kind of do a circular motion and they fall into those little circles that we cut. And so I just do this for a little bit.
Yeah, just gently brush them away. And the beauty of this technique is that all those rhinestones are going to fall into those holes right side up. And when we say right side up, that's the pretty side of the rhinestone. And the glue side is actually against the pan.
So I heard you say, Eileen, about raking all those in. So now I know it's a little challenging to see on the camera, but every one of those holes has a rhinestone in it. And so now I need to get the rhinestones from my template to my fabric. So we use a transfer tape that's specifically for rhinestones because it can be ironed. It's just a clear tape so that you peel that apart.
Yep.
And then place that down.
So one side is tacky and the other side isn't. So the tacky side's going on top of the rhinestones.
You can see my tape has allowed me to pick the design up and maintain the shape, the exact orientation. So isn't that cool?